Hey guys, today I have a Kenmore direct drive. It's kind of a classic washer and electric dryer set. Now this is the style that you can open it while it's filling up with water. We're going to get full submersion, so you actually get to control how much water the machine's going to use. You've got water temperature control, so you can go hot, cold, or somewhere in the middle. You also get to control how fast it agitates and how fast it spins. And you've got some various different options here. Depending on what type of garments you want to get clean, I jam-packed this one with towels, so it's super heavy load. I just want to show you kind of full blast here, how well this machine's going to do for you. With that center agitator there, it's going to get everything nice and clean. And then once it's all done, I'm going to move those clothes over to the dryer, show you that the dryer's heating and running and everything perfect as well. Kind of as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You get to see that everything's working perfect. Get home, plug it in, you're going to be good to go. And so we'll let this fill all the way up with water, and then I'll show you that it agitates, drains out like it's supposed to, and has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Then, like I said, once that's done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer. So we'll let this fill up, and we'll come back. All right, so we filled all the way up now, agitating. See it doing an excellent job sucking those clothes in along the fins, down along the bottom, then it spits them back up along the sides, so it does this vortexing motion here, like so. And now the lid switch here, when that's going to kick it off and shut the machine down, is when it's in the spin cycle. So you actually could toss another piece of clothing in here real quick if you wanted to. But yep, so we'll come back when it's draining. All right, we are draining that water out now. You're draining out nice and fast. Now, I'm not going to lift this up. I don't want to interrupt this neutral drain cycle. But what's going to happen is once it's done draining, it'll kick over, spin to extract the soapy water as it drains. And then it's going to fill all the way back up to rinse. And then it'll drain again. And then we'll be on to that final spin cycle, which I'm going to come back for next and show you that it's nice, fast, smooth, and all that. All right, now we're on to that final spin. Just finished draining out the rinse water, and it should be getting up just about full speed here in a sec. Now, as it gets faster, more water extracts out of those clothes, which allows it to go a little faster. So its top speed is really once it's extracted most of the water out. So it takes a good couple minutes for it to really get going full speed. But once it does, then that's where this lid switch really comes in place, because you open this up. This one has a really, really good brake on it too, so it's going to stop pretty fast. But you'll be able to see, if you can't already, I mean, it's really smooth, nice and quiet. But when I lift this lid up, that safety switch is going to kick in. It's going to shut it down pretty fast. You'll be able to see, though, that it is spinning nice and fast. There you go. And like I said, it's got a good brake on it, so it brings it to a stop there pretty quick. But as you can see, it's spinning nice and fast. So we'll let that get back up to speed, finish up, and then we'll move over to the dryer here. All right, now we've got those clothes going in the electric dryer. So this is all nice and cleaned out. See that there? And we'll move over here. We've got this set on time dry. You have 4 heat selections. I've got it on high. You can adjust the cycle signal, which is great. If you want to turn it off, that way it's not going off in the middle of the day if you have kids sleeping or pets or something like that. And then you push to start here. Your lint trap, you want to make sure that gets changed out. I'm going to refinish this top here, so this will be nice and bright white. You'll be able to see that in the pictures on the listing description. Otherwise, sometimes these get a little rough over time, and I like to refinish those and make them look brand new. So you can look for that in the pictures. And I am going to show you that this thing's heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those 2 red dots, it takes a surface temperature measurement. So it's 70 on the machine, 60, 67 on the concrete floor. We'll go ahead and open this up. See, everything's tumbling. Nice bright light right there where the heat comes piling out. It's nice and hot. You can see plenty of heat coming out there. Now the inside of your dryer is only going to get from about 95 up to 195. Just depends on what you have that heat setting at and how long it's been running. But that little tube there gets really hot. Super bright light there. So we'll close that back up. Hit go. And I'll let those finish up. And we'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. Like I said, now you know everything works great. When you get it home, plug it in, you're going to be good to go. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks. You guys have a great day.